What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix the Bluetooth pairing issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then open the quick settings panel again, and here you will see a flight mode. So tap on this flight mode to turn it on, and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that turn it back off. So it will refresh the network settings and Bluetooth settings, and your Bluetooth pairing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after toggling the airplane mode, then the next solution is, if you have enabled the battery saver, then disable it. So for that, open the quick settings panel again, and here you will see a power saving button. So if you have enabled power saving, then tap on this icon to disable it. And disabling the power saving will help you to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset mobile network settings, and then click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the Bluetooth pairing issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.